Welcome friends. Today we are going to introduce the concept of factor. Okay, factors. Okay, what is mean factor? What is mean factor? Okay, suppose now I want to divide 45 by 9. Okay, we know this is dividend, this is divisor, right? Okay, but when I will divide this 45 by 9, so what will be the answer? 9 5s are 45, 5 will be the quotient, and there again 45 you have to write, and what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 0. It means that 45 is exactly divisible by 9. 45 is exactly divisible by 9. It means that 9 is factor of 45. It is factor of 45. Okay, it means suppose I am writing here again 1000. So is it divisible by 10? Yes, definitely it is divisible by 10. We know the divisibility test of 10. So this number is divisible by 10. It means that this 10 is factor of 1000. Okay, so factor means what? Okay, when we divide a number by another number and the remainder is 0, means there is no remainder. Okay, remainder is 0, then we can say that number means which number? Divisor is the factor of dividend. Okay, so this is the concept of factor. This is the. I have one more question for you. Suppose 25. Okay, we can factorize this number by 5. We can divide this number by 5. So can I say 5 into 5? 5 5 is 25. So this is called factorization. This is called factorization. Okay, so this is factorization. Suppose I am writing again 15. Okay, so 15 can be divisible by, 15 is divisible by 3 as well as 5. Okay, so how? 3 5s are 15, right? Okay, now I am writing here 30. So 30 can be factorized as 10 into 3. Clear? So every time you can see here, this is called the factorization. This is factorization. Okay, so factorization means what? Ki the product. Okay, the product of those numbers, and the product will be same. Okay, product of product will be same. It means this 3 5s are 15, 10 3s are 30. But we can see now this 5, both are prime numbers. Okay, this 3 and this 5, again you can see the prime numbers, but here is 10 and here is 3. One of them means 3 is prime but 10 is not prime. 10 is not prime, means that we can factorize this 10 again. Okay, how? 5 into 2 means we have written here 5 into 2 instead of 10, and this 3 will be as it is. Okay, it means that 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. You can find. Okay, it means that this is the factorization, but when you get the prime numbers after the factorization, when you get prime numbers after the factorization, that types of factorization is called prime factorization. Okay, means 5 5 both are prime, 3 5 both are prime, 5 2 and 3 all numbers are prime numbers, and this type of factorization is called prime factorization. This type of factorization is called prime factorization. Okay, so this is the concept of prime factorization. The prime factorization has two methods. It has two methods. The first is factor tree method. Factor tree method. Okay, so factor tree method means what? Okay, suppose you have given 50. Okay, you have given 50. So you have to factorize this 50. But how? So you can factorize like this, 5 into 10. Now you can see here, this 5 is prime, means we cannot factorize 5 ahead. Okay, so now come to the 10. So I think 10 is factorized by 5, means 2, right? Okay, how? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So at this last step, you can see 5 is prime number, 5 is again prime number, and 2 is also prime number. So we have to check are our prime number prime factors correct or not. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. Yes, correct. So all those numbers are prime numbers. So this is prime factorization. Okay, but the method is factor tree method. Okay, and you have to write here like this: 50 is equals to 5 into 5 into 2. You have to write the prime numbers, okay, at the last, and you can check 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. We will take one more question. Suppose I have written 96. So we know that 96 is divisible by 2. Okay, it is divisible by 6 also. It is divisible by 3 also. Right? Okay, so we have to check. Okay, is it divisible by which number? Okay, so at first, listen carefully. We can take any two factors, any two. Okay, suppose I think it is divisible by 12 also. Okay, so 12 8s are 12 8s are. But this time you can find here we got one prime number, but here 12 is also composite number and 8 is also composite number, means we have to factorize both the numbers, okay, till prime number. So can I factorize this 12 as 4 3s are? Yes, definitely 4 3s are 12. Or you can factorize like this also, 6 2s also. You can factorize. Okay. Now we will factorize this 3. This 3 cannot be factorized. Why? Because it is prime number. Okay. So this is the last. We could find the first factor, first prime factor, right? Now this 4 can be factorized. How? 2 2s are 4. So here 2 and here 2. 2 2s are 4. Right. Now you can check how. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Yes. Okay. Means those prime factors are of 12. Okay. Now come to the 8. So 8 can be written as 4 2s are. Okay. Now we got the first prime number. Okay. From 8. Now this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Right. So this method is called prime factorization method. Sorry. But by which method? Factor tree method. Which method we are using here? Factor tree method. This is prime factorization. But we have to write like this. 96 can be written as 96 is equals to, the first prime is 3 into, then 2 into 2. Then you have to write here from 2, this 2 and the last 2 is here. Okay, now we have to check, is it 96 or not? Okay, how? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 2s are 96. Means our answer is correct. But listen carefully, we have to write here only prime numbers. Last numbers must be prime numbers. Okay. So this is factor tree method. Okay. Okay, the next concept, the next method for prime factorization is division method. And what is division method? Okay, so I want the factors of 144. Okay, suppose I want the factors for 144, means 144 is the numbers. I want the factors of 144, right? Okay, so I have to write in the division method like this. You have to write 144 here. Okay, 144. I think this 144 is divisible by 2. Perfect. It is perfectly divisible by 2. Why? Because at the last place you can 4 there. Okay. And if the last digit means last or unit place or ones place you can write. Okay. When at the ones place there is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then that number is perfectly divisible by 2. So I have to divide by 2 at first. And listen, we have to take prime numbers here only. We have to take prime numbers only, right? Okay, so this 144 is divisible by 2. We guess it is divisible, but how? Okay, so we can check like this: 144 divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, right? Okay, again here you can see 0 4, then 2 2s are 4, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, it means that we can write here 72. Okay, 72 is the answer when we divide 144 by 2. Okay, when we divide 144 by this 2. right? Okay, now you can find here, you can see here 72. This 72 can be divisible by again 2, right? This 72 is divisible by 2. Okay, so again we have to write here 2. Okay, now 72 divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Okay, so 3s are 6. Now 1 is there. Then this 2 will be here. Okay, then 2 6 are 12. It means that the remainder is 0. Okay, so 36 is there. 36. Again I can say, okay, this 36 is again divisible by 2. Okay, actually this is divisible by 3 also, right? But I am dividing by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 18s are 36, or 18 twos are 36. Okay, so again this 18 is again divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Now this 9 is not divisible by 2. This 9 is not divisible by 2. But I think this is divisible by 3. Only one divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Now the last 3 is prime number which is divisible by only itself. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. It means that 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Those are the factors of 144. Okay, so 144 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, I am writing at below side, 3 into 3. Okay, so now we have to check the answer is right or wrong. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Clear? 16 nines are, you can multiply it directly. Or 16 threes are 48, 48 threes are, you will get 144. Means our factorization is right. And listen carefully, again I am telling you, here you have to write only the prime numbers. Means you can divide by only prime numbers. You cannot take here any composite number, right? Okay, so this is the method to find the factors by division method. Okay, let's take one more question. 360, and we want to find the factors by division method. Okay, at first 360 you have to write like this, 360. Okay, we know that this is divisible by 10. Okay, but we cannot write here 10. Why? Because 10 is not a prime number, right? So this is divisible by 5. This is definitely divisible by 5. So we can divide by 5. Okay, so 360 divide by 5, right? So 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so 35 you have to write here. Okay, 1 is remain, then 0 will as it is. Okay, then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, it means that 72 will be the answer when we divide 360 by 5. Okay, so 72. Again, now we have to divide 72 by any prime number. So I have to check, is it divisible by 3? Yes, we have to check. 7 plus 2, 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. It means that this 72 is also divisible by 3. So 3. Now 72 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Okay, here 6. Subtraction, 1 will be there. 2 will as it is. Okay, now 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. So 24 you can find here. Okay, so now this 24 again divisible by 3. You can say, sir, it is divisible by 2. Yes, you can find by 2 also. Okay, you can write, because we will get definitely 2 in the next. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are. Okay, 3 6 are, or 3 8s are, 3 8s are. Okay, so 3 8s are 24. Now 8 is here. This 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Now you can say this 4 is also again divisible by 2. Okay, so we will get 2. This 2 is divisible by again plus 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So those are the factors of 360. Okay, The factors of 360 are 360 is equals to 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we are going to check 5, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Right. Now we will check 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180, 180 2s are 360. Okay. So the answer is correct. Okay. Listen carefully. I have divided by 5 at first. You can divide by 2 also. We can divide by 3 also. Okay. Means we can take any number at any place. Okay. So please take the screenshot if you want. Okay. So we learned the concept of factor and prime factorization. And the prime factorization has two methods. The first is factor tree method, and the second is division method. Okay. Thank you.